Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the comment in the Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up Google Sheets. Here it opens up in this view. From here we just select the sheet that we want to edit. Then tap on a cell. Then tap on the plus icon. And then tap on comment. And now we can write a comment in this cell. We can also tag other collaborators, and yeah, just comment on what the table contains. For example, make sure that you review the stats, for example. And then the comment is going to be added. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.